Hey everyone! There are so many benefits to cooking for your family, and even more when you create tasty treats together. What are you going to make for us today, Brooke?
Today I'll be making a few of my favorite treats I make for me and my family.
So I've been told you're going to show us healthier ways to enjoy these delicious treats by swapping out ingredients with better choices.
Yep, we're creating tasty strawberry cheesecake bites with smaller portions and no crust. Well, first, we're going to cut off the stem. Yes.
And then make the Santa hat. Well, these do kind of look like Santa hats, don't they? They could be a great holiday treat. All right, so we've got all the strawberries chopped up. What do we do next?
We're going to make the cheesecake filling. So first, we have cream cheese, some honey.
All right, just pour that on in there. I love honey as a natural sweetener instead of putting in all that sugar, right? It's a lot healthier.
Vanilla extract.
All right, here we go. All right, let's get mixing.
We're just waiting for it to be nice and smooth.
All right, it's nice and smooth. What's next?
Put it in a piping bag.
Okay, so we've got our piping bag filled up. What are we gonna do next?
We have 2 buttons for Santa's jacket.
All right, so now we're gonna do the cream cheese filling on the top. And why don't you give Santa a hat?
We need 2 chocolate chips for Santa's 2 eyes. Now we have our strawberry cheesecake Santas.
That looks so tasty. Let's keep moving.
And that's our strawberry cheesecake Santas. Enjoy!
For more healthy recipes like this, go to mywellnessbynature.com.